You pass a prop firm evaluation, and for the first time in weeks, you feel something: relief, excitement, hope, like you finally made it. You get access to your funded account, real money, real stakes. This is it. And then you trade it for maybe a week, maybe a few days, and it blows. The account is gone. The money is gone. The hope is gone. And you know exactly how to fix it. Buy another evaluation. Chase the dopamine hit again. Get a fresh start. I'm going to walk you through the entire cycle: why the eval dopamine works, why funded accounts are different, and why you blow them up so quickly, and why you immediately buy another eval instead of fixing the actual problem. When you pass a prop firm evaluation, something very specific happens in your brain. Your dopamine spikes. You feel excited. You feel like you've finally made it and you have a real account now. You can actually trade for real capital. This dopamine hit is real. Your nervous system just got a chemical reward for achieving a goal. But here is what is interesting: the dopamine is not about the account, it's about the novelty, it's about the possibility, it's about the fresh start. Your brain does not know whether this account will work, it only knows new challenge, clean slate, another chance. And that possibility creates dopamine. So, for the very first few days after you get funded, you feel great. You feel motivated. You feel like this is going to be different from all the other accounts. But the dopamine is also masking something. It is masking the fact that you are about to enter a completely different psychological environment than an evaluation. An evaluation is a test. You know it as a test. You pass or you fail. Either way, you know the format. A funded account is different. It is not a test. It is your actual payout getting closer. Every trade matters now, not in a theoretical way, in a real way. The profit from this trade is actual money. The loss from this trade is actual money coming out of a payout. And your nervous system recognizes the difference immediately. On an evaluation, your activation level is elevated, but it is a predictable kind of elevated. You know the rules, you know when the evaluation ends. There is a clear finish line. On a funded account, the finish line is not clear. The payout could happen next week or next month, or you could blow the account and lose everything. The uncertainty itself is dysregulating. And as the payout gets closer, when you're close to the profit threshold, close to withdrawing, the pressure intensifies. Your nervous system is now thinking every trade is make or break. I have to protect this. I cannot lose this. I need every trade to count. This is not the mindset of a disciplined trader. This is the mindset of someone in threat response. On an evaluation, you might have a baseline size. You follow your plan, you take your setups, you take your losses, and you move on. On a funded account, something shifts. You start trading bigger because every win counts. You start chasing setups because missing one feels costly. You start tightening stops because you cannot afford losses right now. You start managing trades differently because the stakes feel different. And you're not even aware you're doing this. You think you're just being more serious, more focused, more professional. But what is actually happening is your nervous system is running the show. You are trading from threat response. You're trading from pressure. You're trading from desperation to protect the account. And that is when execution falls apart. You take trades you normally would not take. You exit winners early because you're scared the market will turn. You hold losers too long because you're hoping they will come back. You add to positions because you need this to work. The account that felt so possible a week ago now feels dangerous, fragile, like one bad trade could blow it. And in that fragile state, one bad trade usually does blow it. Most funded accounts blow up within days or weeks, not months, days or weeks. And this surprises most traders. They think if I passed the evaluation, I should be able to trade the funded account. What's the difference? The difference is the pressure. On an evaluation, you have nothing to lose. It's already gone. You either make the profit threshold or you do not. On a funded account, you have something to lose. Your payout, your shot, your proof that you can do this. And that something to lose creates a level of dysregulation that your nervous system cannot handle. Your activation level is so elevated that your prefrontal cortex is barely online. You're operating from a reptile brain: react, protect, escape. And from that state, a few bad trades cascade into account liquidation faster than you can process what happened. You wake up, the account is blown, the dopamine is gone. What is left is shame, anger, disappointment. When you blow an evaluation, there is disappointment. You think, okay, I need to try again. When you blow a funded account, it is different. You're not just disappointed, you are ashamed because you got there. You passed, you made it, and then you lost it. You're angry at yourself. How could you let that happen? You had the account, you had the capital, you had the shot, and you threw it away. You are grieving. The possibility died. The future you imagined, finally having a funded account, finally making consistent income, is gone. And your nervous system is in a state of acute threat. You just lost something. Your brain is trying to figure out how to get it back. And in that state of threat, shame, and desperation, you know exactly what will bring relief: a new evaluation, a fresh start, another chance. And so you buy one, sometimes immediately, sometimes within days, because the dopamine hit of a new account is better than sitting with the shame of losing the old one. Here is what is actually happening when you buy another evaluation after blowing a funded account. You're not fixing the problem. You are resetting the environment. The problem is not the prop firm. The problem is not the evaluation. The problem is not the funded account. The problem is your nervous system. It cannot handle the pressure of a funded account. It dysregulates. It trades from threat response. It blows up. But every time you fail, instead of addressing the nervous system problem, you buy a new account, a fresh environment, a fresh slate. And for a few days, that feels like a solution. The dopamine spikes again, you feel hope again, and this time it is different. But it is not different because you are the same nervous system. You have the same dysregulation triggers. You have the same pressure response. So you pass the new evaluation, you get funded, the pressure hits, you dysregulate, you blow up, and the cycle repeats. Eval, dopamine, funded, pressure, dysregulation, blow up, shame, and eval all over again. Over and over, for months, for years. Some traders do this for years. And in that time, they spent thousands on evaluations. They never actually build capital. They never actually learn to trade under real pressure. They just keep chasing the dopamine hit of a new account to escape the shame of losing the last one. That is the trap. I work with traders who are in this cycle, and the pattern is consistent. Traders who buy multiple evaluations per year, on average, they spend 2 to 4,000 on evaluations annually. I know some that have spent 10, 12, 15,000 in a year. They pass maybe 50% of them. Of the ones they pass, maybe 30% make it longer than 2 weeks without blowing, which means they're spending thousands of dollars per year to get accounts that blow up in days or weeks. The traders who break this cycle are not the ones who find a better prop firm. They are not the ones who find a better evaluation. They are the ones who address the nervous system dysregulation that is causing the pressure response. Because once you can handle the pressure of a funded account, once your nervous system can stay regulated even when the payout is close and the stakes are real, the funded account stops being a threat. And then you can actually trade it. Here is what prop firms understand that you do not. The evaluation is the product, not the funded account. The evaluation. Because they know that most traders who pass an evaluation will blow the funded account within days or weeks. They know this. They expect it. And they know that when traders blow their funded account, they will immediately buy another evaluation to try again. So from the prop firm perspective, you are the perfect customer. You are not threatening to them. You are revenue. You pay for evaluations, you blow accounts, and you buy more evaluations. The business model only works if traders like you keep cycling through evaluations. And the way they keep you cycling is by making the dopamine hit of a new account feel like the solution. Fresh, clean slate, another chance. But it is never the account that is the problem. It is always the nervous system. To break this cycle, you have to do something counterintuitive. You have to stop buying evaluations, at least temporarily. Because every evaluation you buy, you are reinforcing the cycle. You are telling your nervous system, when you feel ashamed, when you feel dysregulated, when you feel threatened, buy a new account. That is the solution. But it is not the solution. It is the addiction. And what you actually need to do is address the dysregulation itself. So first, understand what dysregulates you when you are on a funded account. Is it the payout getting closer? Is it the pressure of real money? Is it the fear of losing what you have? Second, build protocols to manage that dysregulation. Breathing protocols, pre-trade checklists, position sizing rules, activation level check-ins, things that bring your nervous system back into regulation. Third, practice those protocols on your evaluations. Treat every evaluation like it is a funded account. Trade it with the same pressure, the same protocols, the same accountability. Fourth, when you get funded, do not change anything. Use the exact same protocols. Follow the exact same rules. Your nervous system already knows how to handle it because you have been practicing. Fifth, expect the funded account pressure to hit because it will. But if your nervous system is trained, you can stay regulated through it. That is how you break the cycle. Not by finding a better prop firm, not by buying another evaluation, but by training your nervous system to handle the pressure that every funded account will bring. If you are in this cycle, I want you to know something. You are not broken. You are not incapable of trading. Your edge probably is not the problem. The problem is your nervous system response to pressure. That is it. And that is fixable. The traders who break this cycle and actually become profitable are not smarter than you. They are not better at reading charts. They are not better at finding setups. They are just traders who trained their nervous system to stay regulated under pressure. And you can do that too. For the next week, I want you to track one thing. Every time you think about buying a new evaluation, write down what you're feeling. Are you feeling ashamed from the last blow up? Are you feeling bored on your current account? Or are you chasing the dopamine hit of a fresh start? Just awareness, and that is the first step. I offer one-on-one coaching if you want personalized help breaking the prop firm cycle and building a nervous system that can handle funded account pressure. Or if you want to work through this with a community and structured program, Regulation Foundations starts August 2nd. Early bird pricing is on now, and this is where we do the deep nervous system training that makes pressure manageable. So drop a comment. How many evaluations have you taken? How much have you spent chasing the cycle? Subscribe and share this with one trader stuck in the prop firm cycle. And I'll see you next time.